Assalamualaikum friends. You are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new amazing token site which name is axeldaffy.com. So this is taking an exchange and token site where you can buy their token and earn a huge profit in a future. So today we discuss how we can stake and how we can buy their token by connecting our MetaMask, and we also discuss in details about their white paper, about their staking, about their features, and also about their social medias also. So I request you all to see my complete video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every video first. So let's start. First of all, I give you a little introduction what is the Axel Daffy. Basically, Axel Daffy is the future of finance, the next generation cryptocurrency to disrupt the existing traditional financial ecosystem. So here you can find out their contract address. If you want to add their token, you need to copy their contract address and paste in your contract in your MetaMask or other thing. You will find out their token in your MetaMask. So other thing is about you can buy XLD on other these sites and their liquidity added on these three sites, and their explorer link is listed on the BS scanner, CoinBeco, and one other site you can store, send and receive Axel Daffy from these MetaMasks, Binance Chain, Trust Wallet and Axel Play. So this is a reliable and tamper-proof network. Basically, these are the features of the Axel Daffy. Number 1 is reliable tamper-proof network. Number 2 is permissionlessness. Number 3 is deflationary. Number 4 is transparent accounting, and number 5 is powerful use cases. So these are the features of Axel Daffy. So after discussing the features of Axel Daffy, we can discuss about the tokenomics. You can see their initial supply 111 million, rewards and loyalty. Tokenomics have 18.02, which is equal to 20 million for foundation. They have 50 million for team. 14 they have 9.91%, which is equal to 11 million for liquidity. They have 15 million, and for marketing and business development they have 15 million tokens for marketing and business development. So this is a tokenomics distribution and tokenomics. After this we discuss about their bird events, and number of token holders is also mentioned here. Circulating supply is also mentioned here. You can see the token value is also mentioned here. Staking amount and their liquidity provider is also mentioned here. Total initial supply is also mentioned here, which is equal to 41.8%. So after these you can see the disclaimer. The initial supply for the Axel Daffy is being used for the development of project, market making and community, which will eventually be burned slowly phase by phase. So after these you can also see the token utilities which have governance. Axel Daffy holders have right to vote for any development and amendment of Axel Swap. For payments, 2.3 million plus hotels and 400 plus flights with XLD using Axel Daffy. You can earn passive income from Axel Daffy, stake XLD on Axel Swap and get on of the highest returns ever. This is cryptocurrency for all. Download Axel Play wallet and claim XLD for free as incentives. Also after these Axel Daffy, you can see their use cases. You can see their use cases built on Finance Smart Chain, a decentralized exchange built for trustless transactions using Binance Smart Chain contracts with fast settlement, low transaction fees, and a democratic distribution powered by Axel Lab. Axel Swap brings you the best trading opportunities to find and maximize your yield. XLDAFI acts as the governance token of XLSwap, so can also see their benefits of XLSwap. You can earn attractive rewards. Staking, liquidity mining, yield farming are the benefits of XLDAFI, and the other benefits are earn up to 600% APY, interconnectivity, easy to use, low gas fee, it is secure and faster transaction, no KYC. After these, you can also see their Axel trip travel with crypto. Use Axel Daffy and other cryptocurrencies listed on axeltrip.com to book over 2.3 million hotels and for 50 plus airlines around the world. So you can book also these things from your Axel Daffy wallet. After these, we get the information about the Axel Daffy. Axel Daffy made some simple. Axel Play is a secure crypto wallet which can be used to send, receive, send, and hold all ERC20 and BEP20 tokens, including major cryptocurrencies. So it has also swap DeFi coins, and earn triple yield. You can buy various cryptocurrencies with debit or credit cards. Top up, no lockup period, and stable returns. A gift card become a part of fostering DeFi community. After these, you can also see the information of about exchange trade with confidence on the world's fastest and most secure crypto exchange. This is most exchange and most secure and world's fastest site for trading. After these, you can also see their global community. Here total reach approximately 2,29,812. You can also find it to Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and LinkedIn. So after these, you can also discuss the roadmap of Axel Daffy. We can also discuss about the Axel Daffy 4 quarters. Quarter 1 to quarter 2 2021. Concept inception, team development, pre-marketing, branding. 2021 quarter 3 to quarter 4. Token launch, publishing white paper, listing on CoinMarketCap, Axel Swap launch, automated market making, introducing XLD as governance token on Axel Swap, listing on PancakeSwap, Axel Swap listing on Axel Pay wallet, and add listing on Axel Trip for hotels and flights booking with Axel Daffy across 2.3 million hotels and for 50 plus flights. Introducing XLD yield farming and staking on Axel Swap. 2022 quarter 1 to quarter 2. Listing Axel's Daffy on major centralized exchanges, increasing Axel Daffy use cases and building ecosystem, voting system in place to allow decentralized governance. 2022 quarter 3 to quarter 4, launching credit cards and earn with Axel Daffy, work on our own blockchain, listing Axel Daffy on major centralized exchanges. So, after the discussion of the roadmap of Axel Daffy, you can find and every information regarding their project on their white paper. So it is easy to download. When you download it, you will find out each and every solution of problem that you regarding their project. So after this we can discuss about the white paper of Axel Daffy. We can open it in PDF. So we can open it. So we can discuss about the so these are the white paper, and I also give the link of white paper in my video description if you want to get information in details regarding their project. So you need to download the white paper. Here you can will find out each and every answer of your questions that you have in your mind. For example, if you want to table of contents, abstract, introduction, vision, problem statement, introducing Axel Daffy, why Axel Daffy, Axel Daffy platform services, their benefits and their features. You can also find all the things that are not mentioned in the home page. So this information in details, you can also find each and every information. You can also find each and every information regarding their project on their white paper. So it is very easy to download. When you download it, you will find out each and every solution of problem that you have regarding their project. So after this, we discuss about their social medias. First of all, we discuss about the Twitter. We discuss about the Twitter page. If you want to invest or if you want to interest to buy their tokens, so it is very necessary for you to follow their social medias, because by following these it will be easy for you to knowing the every solution of problem that you have regarding their projects, and you will be updated by their every news and every update, because they give each and every information, each and every update regarding their project and their social medias. So first thing, you should follow it and press the bell icon to see every update first, to get the notification of their every update first. So after this, you can also them Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, LinkedIn and Discord. So thank you so much to see my complete